Hello everyone, this is Shanshani. Today I am representing my Python project to you. As you can see, my sub ID and my roll number and my batch number. I am from BTech CSE, first year. Now let's back to the code. Well, hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about our code. First, when user runs this code, it will take ID and password as login, ID as Shivansh, and password will be 12345678. If the ID and password was right, then it will log in. If one of them will be wrong, then code will exit by itself as we use exit function. Now about the libraries we import. First we import date and time. Second we import app opener. Third speech recognition. Fourth matplotlib. Fifth numpy. Sixth pandas. After importing all these libraries, now let's talk about our driver code. As in our driver code, first we are taking loop as we want our user to give us command again and again. Now, how we are taking command? We are taking command in two forms. First in written, second in speaking. We are asking user to write one or two as he wants in writing mode or speaking mode as giving instruction command. If user write one, we are printing this statement. We write an instruction you want me to execute. If he uses two, then we're printing this. Now, another thing is this, keep our speaking function might not be that well because of nearby noise and other things. That's why we are printing this thing. Speak function might not be that accurate. Now we are importing speech recognition. We are making a string, empty string, or we can say initializing R as sr.recognizer. Now, with sr.microphone as source, we are taking source as microphone, print listening. Now, this is our minimum requirement, r.post threshold. Now, we are taking audio is equals to r.listen source. It will listen the source and storing the audio in audio string, audio variable. Now, we are taking error handling. Try now. First, we are printing recognition, then our string, the empty string, we are filling it with r dot recognize Google. We are taking audio, we are taking language as English. We are using Google Recognizer to store our speech and recognize it well. Now we are printing what user said. Now if there is any error, we are printing we didn't understand. Else, if user type other, um, like not one or two, any other third, three, four, or any other thing, then we will print please enter one or two. Now we are changing our variable from command one to command. Now how our AI works? We are using if, elif, and else functions to check what user said and executing that command. As we are here with if user said help, we are gonna print our help, and thus and this variable is written here, and also about the description also written there, which is gonna print when user said help or description. Other thing what our AI can do is open any app. Like if user said open app, now we are taking input app as input and printing that tell me app name which you want to open. Like if user said WhatsApp, WhatsApp get open. If user said VS Code, VS Code get open. Now how is it opening? We are using app opener library which is used to open any app which is installed in our computer system or operating system. What other things can our AI do? Our AI can do any arithmetic operation like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, or print any table using these functions. We are writing here and also we taking care of zero division error here. So this is how our AI can do any arithmetic functions. And our AI can also do something crazy which I am going to explain later. And it can plot anything on graph like line, like bar, like histogram, like scatter dots, which points are given by user. Our AI can also do matrix addition, multiplication, or we can say many matrix operations. Now, our AI can also store results. We are taking results and input. We are taking key as student name, value as marks, and assigning them, create a dictionary, and then that dictionary convert into Excel sheet, and we can also show the results using these function here. We are using pandas here and numpy also. Now what the function we are using? We are using data frame which converts our user input to Excel sheet. And we are also using read CSV which reads our Excel sheet and print and display it. Now how user can exit this loop? User can type exit to execute exit function and this loop will get exit. And if user type any random instruction which our AI can do, it will simply print this thing. We didn't support this command yet. Please try it later. Now let's run the code. It might take some time. First, user ID like Shivansh. Password is 1234567 8. Now, first it will gonna print welcome back sir. How can I help you? And current date and time. Now he is asking about which mode we wanna use. Like I want to use first. Now about what can I do first? Let's try some arithmetic. Arithmetic. First number will be 5, second number will be 5. Let's 56. Okay, operation. Let's add this. Usually what can we do? Now it will gonna print the result here. Now as we are using loop, it is asking again and again what mode we want to try. Now let's try second mode. Plot. Look, it worked. Now number of elements. Let's try 5 elements. Now entering element of x 8, 7, 6, 5, whatever is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what do you want to plot? Scatter dots or line or anything. Let's try line. Look, it get print. Now let's try exit. Now let's talk about leftover things like something crazy what I have told. Let's try what can it do? Something crazy. Haha, it's just do this thing. And about if the user input something which is not in our UI, let's try hi. We didn't support this command yet. Please try again later. So guys, this is all about my code. Thank you for watching. I hope you got it well.